Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We got the carburetor parts right here and some work clothes for me. Let me show you what we're going to work on today. As you should probably already know this by now. And anyway, either way, I'm going to show you. Right there. I'm going to put the new carburetor on today. And hopefully that'll work out very nicely. So I'm going to go get change out of these nice clothes that I'm currently wearing. And we'll call it good. Alright, we got the old carb off. That is what the intake looks like, in case y'all wanted to know. Anyway, let's go get that, what's it called? The adapter plate. Okay. Alright, there's the adapter plate. I'm going to open that up and we'll see how this fits. Ta-da! We got the thing on. Alright, time to put the new Edelbrock on. That might be an issue.
What happened?
The linkage over here. That, whatever you call this thing. Here, come look at it.
Problem number one.
I wonder if it would sit underneath.
How's it going, guys?
Well, we've encountered our first issue.
It's probably because it sits up so high.
Do you see my watch?
Oh, I got a new watch. That rules.
Let's put it in the video. It's awesome.
Where'd you find that at?
I got it for Christmas or something. Somebody gave it to me. Barb was digging through some stuff and set it out on my dresser.
That's awesome. I like it.
It's cool, man. Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah. All right. Is that the new one?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Sweet.
Say hi.
Oh, hello. Hi. Say hi. Okay. Follow the rules. Say
Yes.
hi.
Yes.
Huh.
It's going okay?
We got
Maybe.
to figure out this next problem. Looks like the linkage on this side is going to be hitting, so we got to figure out. Yeah, it's probably because of that adapter we had to put on. It sits it up higher, and because it's sitting higher, but we'll figure it out.
Alright, we ended up actually going back to the house to cut that little piece there, and this is that clip. Alright, well it's now been hours later of plenty of stupid crap to go around, but anyway, as y'all can tell, there's zip ties on our field lines, and you know that's a little redneck, but that's to be expected here. But anyway, we couldn't find the newly bought hose clamps that I got, so in order to make it work, we're gonna do this. So I'll set y'all guys down. I'll start up the truck. I'll at least try to.
Hopefully. Actuate your pedal to the throttle. Alright, give her a shot. I just now seen the gas go through the filter. Go ahead and give it a crank it over. Give it a little gas. Alright, we need to jump her.
Alright, round two. You ready to hear it?
I don't know if I need to be photographed.
Oh yeah, we're on the internet right now.
What?
The world sees us.
Well,
Round 3.
Ready?
Well,
Yeah,
hell,
go ahead.
We're at.
Where did it go from liquor? Is that gas?
Where did it go?
What is this, round 5 now?
I think we're gonna have.
Bottom one.
Yeah. Well, you
Bottom.
can't-
I can't even see where we're looking.
Yeah.